Today I show you how to rename your Samsung Galaxy phone so it shows with a customized name on the network, on the Wi-Fi network or on the Bluetooth connections. When you connect devices to it, that you see the name you want to see, a personalized name. To change the name of your Samsung phone, open the settings app, and in the settings app you want to search for the About. So here you have the About section of the phone. On the About phone you have all the settings about phone number, but it will be unknown if you didn't set it. The phone name, model name, serial number, IME, slots 1 and 2, IME numbers. I hope I don't forget to mask these ones. Here you have the option to rename the phone, and you get the notification that this name will be shown to other devices when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct and other methods, basically anything that's about connectivity. So I will select everything, any name doesn't matter. Once I press done, the phone is renamed. This is the new this is the new name of the phone, and you might need to restart it, but I'm not sure. I don't think you need to restart it. And if I want to rename it back how it was, I can choose rename. To rename it back how it was, I choose rename, and actually I saved the name, the previous name, to keep it the same way. So now it's back with the original name. That's how you rename the phone. You can have any name you might like there, but maybe there is a limit on how long. It shouldn't be too long. 2-3 words should be enough. That's how you rename your Samsung Galaxy Android phone to personalize it. Thanks for watching. I think the username and the device name, it's a pretty good default option. So if you have, if two people have the same phone, you will know whose phone is what. So that's pretty useful like that. So person name and the device model. Thanks for watching. But you can give it any name you like.